Hi and welcome. In this video I will show you how to create a rotating skin. Let's go. Let's create an empty game object which will be the parent of our skin. Now drag and drop our gear or saw model as the child of our player game object and set the correct position to be as we would like to have it. On the parent we will add the collider and the rigid body afterwards. Okay, now let's create a script which will be responsible for the rotation of the child object. Let's create a public space to be able to choose in which space the game object should rotate, local or world space. And let's specify a vector 3 which will be responsible for the direction and the speed. Now we are ready with the script to attach it to the game object. Set the values and we are ready to go. Let's test it. Yeah, that's it. And you can now add your moving or jumping controls to the parent and the child will keep rotating. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.